Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking this video out. I really appreciate it. This video is just going to be a little bit of, throughout a few days, it's going to be a mess. It's going to be jumping around here and there, but apologize in advance. But Facebook Marketplace, fine. I found my grandpop a new exhaust. Yes, we already bought him one, but ever since he's gotten it, he just says he wants something a little bit louder. And instead of doing like an all-for mid-pipe or some headers and getting into all that, I said just get like muffler deletes or something, just to hold him over. So Facebook Marketplace, fine. I found him a set local, great price, and everything just worked out. So he picked him up the other day. We're gonna install him today on his car. And I don't know if he's ready for it yet, but we're really gonna wake that thing up, give it some sound, and see if he likes it. So let's jump into it.
Yeah.
Yo, Pop, what are you doing?
Yeah. Sitting here watching TV.
You want to throw your exhaust on?
That's up to you if you want.
I'm down if you're down.
Oh, I'm down for it. You know that.
I didn't know if you wanted to do it or not. I wasn't going to spoil it and ask you.
Oh, it's definitely going to be louder.
Oh, I know that.
All right. All right, let's get her on. The one side off, basically just going with a straight pipe. One side on, pop under there getting busy. I got the old video, Pop. Thing's pretty clean under here, not for nothing.
Yeah, I know. Come on, bitch.
You want me to get the other one?
No.
The one above the muffler.
Above it? There's nothing here.
Oh, you already got that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we could slide it out. We could just wiggle the muffler off the pipe. You want me to do that?
Let me try and do something.
Go ahead. Windy out. You gotta twist it. Twisting works best. Yeah, it's not easy to come off.
Motherfucker.
There you go, just like that. Almost there. Watch your head, it's gonna fall on you. There you go. Take a break. Now wiggle it back the other way.
I am trying.
Almost. Bam. There you go, Pop. Good shit. All right, we'll swap the hangers over. All right, just got done. First start, muffler delete. See what Pop thinks. You ready?
Right.
That's definitely louder. Sounds good. Here, I'll rev it up. Oh shit. Remember, it's cold. That's you.
Yeah, that's the sound I wanted.
There you go. Let's see. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely deeper.
Oh, hell yeah.
There you go. Give her a little rip. Go ahead. There you go. What do you think?
What do you think?
I like it.
I love the sound.
Definitely, definitely louder, a little deeper. You'll have fun with it.
Oh, I'm gonna have a blast. I can just see going to Philly with this now. Out on 95, 495. Oh, yeah.
Rolling, huh? All right, guys, kind of random. I just left the gym and my friend hit me up, said he wanted to run, see how the car ran with the new Longtubes, and I said, why not? So this car was actually in the video before. He actually beat me. I forget what's done to it, like a Lund-tune, cat deletes, muffler, some weight reduction, you know, shit like that. But I'm meeting up with him. We're gonna get a couple quick runs in real quick, and hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. So stay tuned. Hopefully these headers woke it up a little bit up top, and I could pull them this time. So let's see. Good shit, man.
Thanks, bro.
Good shit. Let me see what the hell you did. You gutted this thing?
Bro, listen, it just...
So you got the 26 on here.
Well, I actually
Oh my God.
I had to fight a tire, but I didn't get my wheel alignment done, so I fucked it.
Right.
So I went on Facebook and I seen these. They were on shit.
Yeah, car runs good, dude. I'm full weight. I should have took some shit out, but oh my God, dude. It adds up.
It was cheap. It was free. Just fucking do it. Why
It's
not?
free horsepower, right? All right, guys. Just got back from making the runs, and it was pretty close. I was actually pretty surprised. If you look at the other videos when I raced this car before, you could see him just every shift he was just pulling away. This time looks pretty even for the most part. If we could have kept going, I think I would have started creeping up top. That's when my power, I feel like, just, you know, keeps going, keeps pulling, especially with the 315s and the 28s. Up top is when it really starts to pull. So, You could definitely tell the difference of the 355s that he has with a 26-inch tire. It's fast. It's shifting a lot faster and a lot more times than mine is. So it's pretty cool to see the difference between the two gears and the different cars and everything. But it was a lot of fun. And if traffic wasn't so bad, I think we could have kept going. Like I said, I definitely think I would have, you know, pulled up top. But it is what it is. We'll do it again. And it was just a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. And if you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Helps the channel out a lot. And I really appreciate it, guys. But it's pretty much all I got for you today. So you guys take care and have a good night.